Hi students. Today we are going to discuss the use of the mask in the Tempest. What is a mask? A mask was a dramatic composition consisting of declamation and dialogue, music and dancing, decoration and scenery and so on. It was not usually performed by ordinary actors, but was mostly played by the members of the nobility, sometimes even the king and the queen taking part in it. Masks were a favorite form of entertainment at Queen Elizabeth's court. During the reign of James I and of his successor, masks became even more popular. Several Elizabethan dramatists wrote masks, but the mask reached perfection in the hands of Ben Jonson. The principal features of a mask were as follows. The subject was generally allegorical and mythical. Secondly, the characters were generally gods and goddesses of ancient mythology or personifications of such qualities as delight, grace, love, sport, and laughter. The duration of mask was shorter than that of a regular drama. The mask was written in rhymed verse. The object of a mask generally was to celebrate marriages in high society. In other words, a mask was presented on the occasion of a wedding in high society. Very costly scenery and costume were employed. The Tempest contains a mask in Act 4. It possesses the following features. It is performed in honor of a marriage, the forthcoming marriage of Ferdinand and Miranda. It is written in rhymed verse. It takes place in the open air and the characters are mythological. The whole piece is rightly termed a majestic vision, harmonious charmingly. Nymphs and reapers dance in handsome costumes, thus presenting a lovely pageant. The mask in Act 4 is closely connected with the story of the play insofar as it is related to the betrothal and forthcoming marriage of the young lovers. Besides, this mask serves another purpose. It allows time for the ripening of Caliban's conspiracy against Prospero. There is yet another explanation of this mask. As the Tempest was acted on the occasion of the marriage of Princess Elizabeth in 1613, the mask in the play and the betrothal of Ferdinand and Miranda may have some reference to the royal wedding. In the Tempest Act 4, we see that the goddesses and reapers are conjured up by Prospero to shower eternal spring on the engaged couple. In the mask, we travel from season to season with the exception of winter. We hear of spongy April and last lone spring. Next, we hear Cereus sing of summer. Iris then conjures up three sunburned sicklemen of August weary. The goddesses have carried us through three stages of life: growth, maturation, and harvest. So let us conclude that the mask provided an operatic musical quality to the play.